Okay, I'm going to be showing you a different technique on how to do the low poly. So I have my fruit right here. Let me open my layers real quick, and let me lock this layer. So before, we were kind of doing like a quick going around, and I was kind of cutting it and using divide. But this way, I'm going to show you a little bit differently, where hopefully it helps with coloring it. So again, I'm going to reset my everything. So let's go Workspace switcher. I'm in classic, so I'm going to reset classic. Click on properties and bring it over. Okay, so you can turn on snapping. That might help snap it to the grid and stuff. And you can have a grid on if you want to right here, like this. Sorry, this one here. So you can see that I have a grid like that. So I'm going to get the pen tool and I'm just going to go around real quick like this. You thought that was okay. Okay, and then let's go ahead and take that out. If you want to take off your color, you just click on this guy right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and make a bunch of poly lines, so which is possible. Now, what I could do too is I could just go like this and just go across, across. It doesn't matter if it goes outside because I'm going to show you how to fix this right now. If you want to go over the same one, hold shift and go like that. All right. Now I'm going to highlight all of them like this and then go to Object, Live Paint, and Make. And what this is going to do, it's going to allow me to press K. You can see that I can color inside these areas. But first, watch. So, oops, Control Z. Click off to the side first. Select the area, K, fill it in. K, K, K. Click inside, K, and then K, K. So hopefully this speeds up the process of being able to fill it in and do that stuff. I like doing this technique when I'm doing some artwork because it's pretty fun and it's easy to do it too. All I'm doing is pressing selecting it, press K, fill it in. Something like this, it's going to miss it like that, so I'll do it in a little bit. Okay. And once you have it all, highlight everything, and you're going to press Shift M. And Shift M is the shape builder, and so you can just hold down Alt and then let's see if it'll shoot Shift M. Oh, it's not letting you. You can go like this and just highlight. Watch. Press X. Take out all the strokes, and you'll be left with the color that you want to color it in with. And you can still do that whole. Watch. Select it. K. Okay, and then you can zoom in and see where you missed spot. So K, K, and keep on going that way. Okay, and hopefully that speeds up the process of doing that technique. You can turn off the poly again. You can see what I'm doing, and it's a lot faster. And then I can fill it in, even though it's not perfect. My stroke work, you can still do a really good job doing that. What I could probably do too is object, expand. It's okay, and see now. Watch like that. All my lines are gone, and I'm left with the actual shape, and saves you a lot of time.